friends, TUXX here. I have something very special for you today. You guys know I love to travel, and one of my main goals when I travel is to be able to have fun at my destination. So I like to be able to pack and get through that airport experience the best I can, quickly as possible. And this is recommended to me, this bag from Bagsmart, okay? And this is a rolling duffel bag. We're gonna unbox it today here for you. Here is the item number for you. I will have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But check it out, it comes in a nice little cardboard box here, nice and secure for you. Now, one thing I like to do when I travel, we like to shop when we travel a lot. So oftentimes I'll put a suitcase in a suitcase so we have plenty of room to bring things back with us. So that's what makes this really special, is that this particular one here is kind of collapsible. You can actually break this down into a smaller form factor. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box here for you so we can check it out. Oh boy, look at that. Oh my God, this is awesome. This rail, I'm gonna show you more about this in just one second. Now, just out of the box, I have to say, I really appreciate the job they do here unpacking. Love the fact that it actually comes in like a waterproof bag here to make sure it makes it to you in the best condition, which is great. You never can tell what UPS are gonna do. So we have it out of its box now, and this thing is looking absolutely beautiful. Loving the black and the gold, the yellow here, looking very cool. And I can already tell that this thing is made for people who like to travel, because there is all sorts of great little spots you can clip things onto if you want. It could be as simple as little charms or more functional things as you go. Loving the fact it actually has two heavy-duty handles here. You can actually lift this up this way, which is great for easy picking up. Think if you're at the airport and it's going around the carousel, you can just grab it and easily pick it up, which is very cool. And also, I really appreciate the fact that this front here is kind of waterproof. This is like more of a vinyl material. A lot of this is more of a cloth material, you know, a heavy-duty, strong cloth. But this front here is especially good for being kind of splash-proof, which is really cool. So I'm loving that, and I love the way it has not just like one little way of zipping, but it's got these great little clips here to cinch it up and to tie things down, which is excellent. Love the fact it has a handle here so you can actually carry it like this from the side profile if you want to, like a duffel bag, okay? And that's where the duffel part comes in. And if you're someone like me who likes to travel with these, this does collapse down. You can see very nicely into a smaller form factor, so you can easily put this into some other suitcase, you know, take it to your destination, fill it full of goodies, and then bring it back, check it with first class. So very easy. Now, rolling over to the back here, one call out, and one thing that was suggested to me, I always worry about things coming back and being damaged, but this has some really impressive big rails here on the back, okay? So you know that airlines are gonna throw around these bags and treat them rough. So the fact that it's got these rails will help really protect the inside contents. The wheels, loving the fact they got a really generous amount of tread here too, and they spin very freely, which is great. Flipping it over here to the front, you can see this part here, this handle does go down, so it actually does kind of make a kickstand. And one of the problems I have with some of my suitcases, which if you follow me on Instagram, some lesser suitcases I've used in the past, sometimes I fill them really full. In fact, I overpack them. And the problem is, you know, of course you can like undo the zipper and make it bigger, but then it really becomes kind of top heavy and it's gonna fall over. But the fact that this one has this extra little bar here, this is dual purpose. One, you can pick it up like this, which is great, but it also serves kind of as a little kickstand to kind of keep everything in check and balance as far as it not tipping over, which I gotta love that. Again, on the front here, loving the fact we have all these little extra little handles, but let's go ahead and open this up here and check it out together. So on the front, there's a few different little compartments. You can see here, we're gonna spin this around, we're gonna unclip the clips, and this has like a really cool open area, so you can easily stick things in here. Now, what you want to stick in here is up to you. I mean, this is kind of a waterproof area. So from me, like if I was throwing my Crocs in here or something, like wet shoes or whatever, you know, dirty socks, whatever you want, it's got a great way of keeping things separated, you know, which is excellent. On the front here, we got the Faro 40 logo, which is nice. And there is a little zipper right here. So there's another cool little compartment that if you want to stick some little things for the airline, tickets or things, headphones, it's a nice little spot to put some small items in for your journey, which is very helpful. Now you can tell these guys really paid attention to detail because they have two great little loops here at the bottom. So no matter what way you're carrying this, it's a duffel bag, more like a luggage piece that's rolling, you have two great little clips here on the bottom that you can clip things onto, which can be extremely helpful if you're overpacking. Oh, there's actually another pocket besides this little pocket. Check it out. So if you're carrying it like a duffel bag, you have this horizontal pocket for things, but there's also a pocket here on top. So if you are rolling it like a rolling suitcase, you have a great little pocket here for headphones or other smaller items. So that is excellent. Let's go ahead and open up the center of it next. Go ahead and pull this through. Love the fact that not only the zippers are there, they have these great little string pulls. So it makes it even easier if the zippers kind of recessed into the backpack. It makes it very easy for unzipping, as you can see. And we're gonna go ahead and open up to the main compartment here. And oh wow, there's all sorts of great stuff in here. Okay, check it out. So we have a nylon kind of air open area. You can throw things in. You can kind of see what's in there. So that's very cool. Loving the Bagsmart logo. Very nice. Very stylish. I like the little pattern. The blue on the inside looks great. And they give you this great little area here, this little piece that you can actually use to stick more things in, and you can pull it out for your trip. Oftentimes, I'll use these for things like AV cables, batteries for cameras, stuff like that. So if you want, you can actually put all your AV gear or whatever you decide to stick in there. And one little thing you can easily pull out and move to a different part of the hotel room or wherever you're going. So very cool. And I like the way it has a wire frame too, so it keeps its shape nice, which is really good too. Very cool. The back is nice and reflective. And on the inside here, you can see we have an extra little piece for wire frame for pushing out. And then on the inside here, there's lots of little compartments. Right here, there's a zipper here in the spine of it, so you can put more things in here. And this is divided into two compartments, left and right. So you could easily use that for other small items. Perhaps it's like keys or things you don't need actually on the trip that you want to make sure you have with you. You don't want to lose them, of course. But if you're away from home, you don't need to have all your home keys necessarily on you the whole time. Or maybe car keys, you know, that zips all the way across. And then on the inside here, we have a handy dandy little, this is nylon, very strong clip, and you can actually clip your clothes, jeans, other things in here, which is great. We have two clips here, so you can actually go through and do it twice if you want. So very cool. And those just snap right back in place, just like that. And this feels incredibly strong. Now on the top here, there's something extra here too. There is a inside compartment where you can open this up and you can actually get to the metal frame here if you need to. So theoretically, you could put something in there, but for me, it's more for cleaning and just, it's great that you have that access if you do need to get to the inside of the bag. Zipping it back up is a real snap. You can just take the zipper here, make sure everything's lined up, and give this a nice little zip so everything is gonna be nice and tightly secure for your trip. Now, some suitcases have a hard time with the handle. Either it doesn't want to lock, it doesn't extend smoothly. This one has no problem. There's a push button right here. Just push this button and it slides out with ease. Very easy. And it does lock in place too, so it's not going to fall back on you. So it makes it really great for travel. You want to push it back, just push the button again, and it slides right in. Very easy. And this is all high density plastic, nice and strong. So with this new Bagsmart Rolling Duffle in my arsenal, we are all ready for our next trip. For the next con we're going to is California BlizzCon and a Disney trip. So we are ready to go, ready to buy those souvenirs, ready to fill it up. If you guys have any questions about this Fargo 40 rolling duffel bag, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to help you. But this is recommended to me, and I can see why. Between having all the great little nooks and crannies, things you can clip things onto, ways of lifting it up from the center or the top, the fact that it's got the kickstand to keep it from falling forward, high density wheels with great traction, and the inner frame you can actually pull out to make it more collapsible, so you can easily put this suitcase into another suitcase, you know, for buying souvenirs and knickknacks. It's really great. And you know what, besides that, this looks sporty. This is actually fire. This looks really cool. Loving the design of it, the black with the gold and yellow. Looks really great, guys. So you can see this is going to be a big little time saver and space saver for our trip. It's going to be really good. It's going to be something which I probably will check this, although you can check with your airline. It looks like it would conform to many airlines' size restrictions for carry-ons if you want to go that route. Usually we would fly first class, so pretty much we check everything because it's free anyway, and it just makes life simple. And if you are Priority Express, remember that your bags get off first. So oftentimes our bags are within the first 3 to 5 bags off the plane, so it's not like having to wait for them. Anyway, guys, again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. tuxtoys@gmail.com. I am pumped to have this, and I hope you guys will consider getting this for your next trip too, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.